What is going on, buddy? Dan Unfiltered checking out Coletta. Raspberry cough. Never had raspberry cough, by the way. I've had one of the coughs. One of the fruit coughs. It might have been strawberry. But never raspberry. Also, I've never tried a raspberry in my life. Just putting that out there. This comes from a Patreon. Barry, appreciate you, homie. Let's check this out. Raspberry cough. I think I know what direction we're going here. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh! What? I was wrong. Alright, first of all, that intro, fucking fantastic. That intro was basically kind of what, judging by the title, where I was kind of thought we were going down this like mellow, chill, stonery path. Nice. Then came some harsh vocals, like what? Kind of Dance Gavin Dance stylish harsh vocals. And even the chorus was clean vocals, kind of Dance Gavin Dance styled. Clean vocals, kind of higher pitched Dillian there, but did not expect any harsh vocals in this song based on the title and mainly the intro. That was a very chill intro, and he just came in there like a fucking cannonball. It's awesome. Ugh. Talk. Come on. How's it gonna bring it back? Is that it? No. Is this the bridge or the outro? Ugh. Come on, bring it back. Give it to me. This is probably the outro now. They're not bringing it back now. Definitely a stoner song. Definitely. That was a good song. Not what I expected. I really did not expect harsh vocals by the way that the first, 15 seconds this song went. Fantastic intro. Ugh. Yeah, the MVP of this song, whoever their producer is. The instrumental itself was pretty fucking good. Like, even if you took both vocalists off the song, this would still be a pretty chill time. Like it would be a pretty good time. Again, sets the atmosphere right for a certain hobby. You know what I'm saying? You can relax, get your mind right. Mind and time, I guess it makes sense. But yeah, did not expect the harsh vocals. They came in again, very Dance Gavin Dance-ish. Just crushing through the song real quick and left. He almost harsh vocal rapping, almost. Like, it was close. And then good, clean vocals, like the complete opposite during the chorus. And I don't know if that's his actual, singing voice. Like, exactly. Or did they maybe turn him up a little, raise the octave a few times? Because if that's his actual voice, holy shit, he has a high voice. Or did he just sing normally and they raise it, in the studio, raise the pitch a little? I don't know. Either way, it sounded good. Again, the instrumental was the key here. That's what really made this work. That's a fire instrumental. The end, though, I would have liked to say, just if they could, have brought that back. Because it's hard to do. And it felt like they were about to for a second. Because the harsh vocals came in and gave us one last scream. I was like, oh shit. I thought he was going to have one final, maybe 4 to 6 to 8 bars real quick of harsh vocal, and then finish off with probably one last chorus, and then we ride off into the sunset. But no, they just kind of changed the instrumental to a different sound and just chilled. Again, very stonery song. This was definitely put together while a little blazed. You can just tell by the way they put it together. And I'm here for it. I'm here for it, man. Appreciate you, homie. Barry, appreciate you, man. Raspberry cough. Again, I don't know why I've never had a raspberry. Just never felt the need. Felt kind of unnecessary. Fuck off, raspberry. If you are still, I would try raspberry cough, though. If you are still here, you are a real one. Was that what's in that movie? Damn it, what movie is that? Was Clive Owen? It's like post-apocalyptic kind of. What's that called? Damn it! Can't remember what it's called. Where it's like humanity can't have kids anymore, except one lady's pregnant. Clive Owen's I think he's directed by Denis Villeneuve. Damn it! Great movie, though. You guys know what I'm talking about. If you are still here, then you are a real one. I'm going to go watch that movie. I'm going to go find it and watch it. to leave it and leave. Damn it. Everyone.